Here it is, a handmade microscope, or you can say magnifying glass, very equivalent to microscope. This is the lens piece stage, which can be brightened by just see here on stage. We'll place the thing we need to observe, either slide or some small things. Then by moving this knob, it can be adjusted. Lens movement can be controlled using this knob to magnify the image as per need. And I think it is a best handmade simple microscope, you can say, to read, made by some of my students as a science subject. As it can be visualized from the upper opening of lens, whatsoever is placed on the stage, and it can be focused by rotating the knobs. Adjust the image by rotating the knobs or decreasing the focus. So this is a best project working as a simple microscope containing enlightened stage, moving lens frame,